Hello guys, it's me, Stefan from the Hypomanic Entrepreneur again. Today I want to share something interesting I'd found in the Microsoft documentation for um, for the OpenAI service for their Microsoft's connection to AI basically, or to OpenAI's language models, because I'd found this because of course like now recently I'm using a lot of time to go through this Microsoft Learn, and now came a really interesting article for in the Azure AI Services page. It's called basically what it does is basically it explains um, some techniques for proper kind of prompt engineering and how to set up your model in an ideal way, which is not just useful if you're going to set up your own AI model, or to customize your own prompts, but also if you're going to make custom prompts and build models that you are going to offer to customers, your own customers who are going to use these models. So the article is called System Message Framework and Template Recommendations for Large Language Models. So here it, for instance, says, okay, how you can define the profile, capabilities, limitations. You can specify the tasks, how the models should complete the task, define the scope and limitation, and it basically also gives some examples of how to do it as well. Specify the output, specify yeah, provide examples, additional safety. So basically, if you're going to use offer these models to external users, it could be real beneficial to reduce the legal risk, because whatever your kind of model, uh, or if you make your model accessible to a customer and they use it negatively, or they use it in a way that, for instance, leads to economic losses for them, and that because of that they try to sue you, and yeah, how do you deal with that, right? And also if in case they use AI, try to use AI for violating laws or other regulations. It's You can basically specify in the prompts how to avoid this, how to avoid kind of uh, outputs from the AI model that could be used for those kinds of purposes. Uh, so um, so yeah, it provides some examples from that, and yeah, it seems really interesting, and it has there are a lot of interesting stuff in the Azure OpenAI Service documentation, which is actually really insightful reading if you want to go into depth about how prompt engineering works, how to actually make more kind of custom prompts, make better results, get better results from your AI models. And yeah, it's I at least found it very fascinating. But I'm one of the few, one of those who are especially interested. But yeah, so let me know in the comments if it was helpful for you to be referenced to this guide. I will put a link to this page in the description. And yeah, be sure to check it out if you're interested, and let me know what you think. And if you're already experienced, let me know what your experiences are with kind of customizing your own AMLs and stuff. If you have any stuff to share, that would be great. So other than that, I wish you all um, a great week ahead, and be sure to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you all tomorrow.